Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Returning Shoplifted Items to Another Walmart Goes Horribly Wrong. Let's get into it, man. Let's get into it.
Look, I just bought this stuff. You can look on the cameras. I didn't steal none of it. I just walked in.
You want to spend the night in jail? You tell me. What's really is that you still do this 25 years old.
On May 10th, 2022, officers responded to a report of a woman trying to return items at Walmart after shoplifting from a different Walmart.
Celeste? Yeah. Medina. Come here.
Celeste Guerra.
Yeah, with her Celeste Guerra.
Can I do this return? Come with me.
Huh?
Come with me. I gotta do this return.
What are you returning?
She's not allowed to return them. I already told her. She never has them.
Hey,
Look,
you also trespassed in the store too.
you cannot. You have to have the physical receipt because you go out there and you scan them into there, and then you come in here and try to return stuff.
I just did the return. It says show this item that
because you uploaded your receipt that you stole out of the parking lot.
Look, I just bought this stuff.
No, you
Let
didn't.
me see.
Oh my god.
Where's the receipt?
That's the receipt. She said I can't. That's all what I bought. I'm trying to return it. And she's all, you stole this stuff. Yeah, I don't be in this store.
Put your hands behind your back.
Really?
Yep. Come on.
I didn't steal from the store. Am I going to jail?
Yeah.
I didn't steal though.
No. You trespassed. You can't be here. Where's all this property you had?
Over there. But I didn't steal.
Let's go check it out.
I didn't steal none of it.
Positive that she did that.
You can look on the cameras. I didn't steal none of it. I just walked in. Check the cameras because I didn't steal none of it.
Can you check footage and see when she came in?
Yeah. I'll do this. I'm gonna check real quick.
Because I did not steal this. I don't appreciate being accused of this. If I didn't steal it, you gonna let me go? Or can you just write me a citation?
Well, we'll discuss that.
Yeah, because I didn't steal this.
You with him?
No.
Yeah. It's fine.
No, you ain't getting let go. You're trespassed from there, so you're going to get arrested. So either way, whether you stole this stuff or not, you're still going to jail.
I'm gonna run him.
No, I'm not with him. I just bumped into him at the store.
These are what, like 30 bucks a piece?
$15.94 for these ones, but the underwear is like 15.
Those
Yeah.
are 15 bucks?
Each one, something like that, or 12. Yeah.
Yeah, it's expensive.
And it's not really expensive nowadays. That's not.
Do you want one or two copies?
I need one copy. You have. I need two copies. You need one. He needs one, and I need one. Oh.
No. Those ain't on.
I saw her grab the. She was doing that stuff.
Hello.
How you doing?
Are you with her?
No, we used to hook up every once in a while, and I'd lost her number.
Uh-huh.
And then I saw her walking through here, and I was like, "Hey, how you doing?" And then you guys rolled in. I was like,
Never mind. And you had just seen her when she was walking this way?
"Yeah, we were just passing each other. I was walking out,
Uh-huh.
so I was like, and then you guys showed up. I was like, no."
Gotcha. What is your name?
My name's Sam.
Sam.
How you doing?
All right, then.
Is she going in tonight?
What's up?
Is she going?
Probably.
Probably.
It's up to him. He's asking if he can have your number.
Yeah. I told you.
Golly, Celeste. Even when you're getting arrested, people are still like, "Hey, man, is she single?"
I know, right?
I guess certain people like that.
I know, right?
That quality. I know.
Yeah, job quality. Yeah, for her.
What's your phone number?
Okay, we're gonna be up there at Los Angeles. Come on.
Did I get my money for doing a return? Since I bought this.
I don't know. She's gonna show me whether you grabbed it or not.
I didn't.
Well,
And if
he'll
I
show
did,
me.
I want that money. That's
That's not up to me. That's up to Walmart.
what do you mean?
That's up to Walmart.
So embarrassing. You ever arrested other people again?
Yeah, I've been there with her. I've been arrested in Walmart too.
Hey.
I'm not everything, though. So what?
I didn't say you were everybody. I just said I've been arrested.
Have you? Like this?
Yeah, we all have a past.
Oh, so I'm going to jail?
I don't know.
That's the second time I walked back in.
That's the second time?
Yeah. I walked back in with the stuff. With my stuff. I paid for it today. Well, yesterday I paid for it, but...
Face me. Let me see it.
There's me. So stuff in my hand? I didn't steal it from here. Well, I mean, I paid for it from here, but I didn't steal it. I didn't go in and steal it and then come. No, I didn't do all that shit.
When did you buy it?
I bought it yesterday.
Nah, she slipped up. I'm gonna tell you right where she slipped up. She said, I didn't steal it from here. If a cop is paying close attention, he would have peeped that.
Yeah, we have the receipt.
Where did you buy it? We can narrow it down. It used to be loss prevention. Where? No.
Actually, I bought it in Redoso. I'm not gonna lie to you. I bought it in Redoso.
I don't believe you. You know why I don't believe you?
Why?
Because you told me here, and then you're like, oh, okay, I bought it in Redoso. It's okay. Guess what we can do? We can look up video on Redoso too.
Yeah, I know. See, the thing is I bought it and turn it because I didn't grab the right size of the brand. Came in a rush.
So we can also run the merchandise and see if that's been purchased or not. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Do you need? This is the receipt.
That's definitely.
Honesty is the best policy. I'm telling you right now. It's the last thing I'm gonna tell you. You know this,
Yes.
right? If you want to spend the night in jail, you tell me.
Okay, well, I had somebody come in here and steal it.
Okay, that's better. You understand that?
Yes.
When? Because if you had somebody come in here and steal it, I want to know who did it.
I didn't come in here. I didn't have them come in here and steal it. They choose to come in here and steal it.
Okay, well, let's win.
About 10 minutes ago. 9:50.
Okay, male or female?
Female.
Okay. What she look like? You? Was she wearing a gray sweatshirt, pretty lipstick?
No. She looks a little scrubbed.
I get chinged up.
The parking lot should open.
I do not know. Because she already had the items with her. She just told me, hey, can you return this? And I
Who
said,
is it? Just tell me her fucking name. Yeah, just tell me, because it's just us. Let's go.
Mona, you know Mona? Bigger chick?
No, I don't know Mona.
She's a fatter chick. She's Smiley's mom.
Who's?
Smiley's. She just got, I can't think, I don't know her last name. It's Mona. I know her first
She
name.
lying, man. She took
Just got
that
her
stuff.
prison recently.
It was more than 10 minutes ago because from the time we made contact with you coming in here.
Yeah, it was more than 10 minutes ago. It was sometime tonight. But it was like between 9 and 9:50. Her name's Mona. I don't know her last name.
You need to cut that out because it's a felony charge. Conspiring with someone else to commit a crime.
Really?
Yeah, that would be an arrest for her, an arrest for you. Same charges, shoplifting, and then conspiracy under there.
Oh my god.
You gotta stop.
She asked me if I do a return.
And then you do trespassing too, and it's just you're getting out of hand. You understand me?
Yeah.
How old are you now?
24.
24.
I didn't want to. My money I got robbed earlier. And I tell you what happened. So my car got broken into. Shit got stolen. And she's like, well, do you want to do a return for me? She's like, I paid for the items. I'm taking this bitch paid for the items. So I was like, okay, yeah. And I came in here to do the return. And this is what happened.
Are you parked like on the other side of that building?
I walked up.
Through the ditch, yeah. So where is? Are you parked over?
She's parked at the laundromat.
Okay.
So she was doing laundry earlier. And then her car, I guess, ran out of gas or some shit. She gave me she gave me a story.
What's she wearing?
So it's way before this because
I don't know, like, okay, so she came up to me, she asked me if I could return items. I don't know when she got the items. I don't know when she got them, but she asked me if I could return them. Be real to you. She asked me if I could return them. I don't know when she got the items. I'm not gonna sit here and bullshit you and waste your time, you know what I mean?
what was she wearing?
I don't know, she was a bigger chick. I don't know what she was wearing. Like I told you, she just came up to me and asked me if I could return stuff.
I can't believe you got to take 2 charges for this girl.
I don't know her last name. It's Mona. her fucking name? And all I know is she's a bigger chick. She just went to court. You know Smiley's mom, Smiley.
Smiley who? Oh.
Yes, Mona.
Smiley, the bald chick?
Yes, her mom.
Is she in prison yet?
Yeah, she's already in prison. It's her mom.
I don't know her mom.
That's Mona something. I don't know her fucking last name. Oh my god. Can you give somebody else's random last name? I don't know the last name. I'm going to jail for because I don't know the bitch's last name. I don't know her last name because they don't take charges. I don't know her last name.
Mona's in prison.
No, she's not. She's not.
I put her in prison. She had 8 fucking ounces of meth. She's in prison.
She's out and about right now. I just seen her tonight. I'm telling you, she's out and about right now.
This Rodriguez, I only have a first name of Mona. I've dealt with her. I arrested her and put her in prison. It's not her mom either.
Oh, I don't know. She said she's Smiley's mom.
Bye. Yeah, I put Mona in prison. At least I thought I did.
She just got out. She just got out recently.
They must have gave her a court date because I know I put her in prison. She was on probation. She was dating some dude named Cherokee.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I put her in prison because she had 8 ounces of meth on her.
Yeah. Exact same Mona.
Yeah, Mona. I got her. She confessed to it and everything. All right, let's go. Yeah, that receipt. The cashier. Cashier's got your other one.
You went in jail?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because you can spy.
Yeah, man. And don't fall for that, man. No, listen. Nobody else ain't steal that stuff, man. She's a one woman army, man. I can see right through that, man. She trying to snitch on people that's already locked up and stuff. Come on, man.
So sit down real quick.
Really? You said?
Yeah, I did. But you know what? You conspired with Mona.
I didn't know that she. I didn't know she stole that shit. That's a part. Oh, I know.
What's a hipster? Those are the underwears, right?
Yeah. I'm going to jail, really?
Yeah. And you're trespassing. West Cargo. Those are the men's jeans.
Can you just write me a citation?
No. A woolly brush. What is that?
I don't know.
Come on.
I didn't know.
Oh, don't cry now, sweetheart.
What? I didn't know.
Other side. What do you got on you right now?
I don't got anything on.
Stay right there.
Really?
Man, the night started out all right, man. You go from running into an old fling process, getting some possible eggplant tonight, you know what I mean? Hey, pause. No Diddy, all right? No Diddy, pause on that. But instead, she gonna go down to the county, man, and maybe she could get some fillet of fish, man.
What's really is that you still do this 25 years old.
Okay, and I stopped doing
Stop. Turn around, face the vehicle. For the feet apart.
What?
You have anything on your brassiere? Yes or no?
No. One. I never asked for no favor, please.
You got something in your left side?
Do
Yeah.
It's money. $3.
Okay.
One, please. I'll stop.
What do you want, honey?
I haven't been to Walmart though. And
We're going to continue to play this game back and forth.
No, I haven't done this in a long time.
Stay there.
Really?
Over here, man. Celeste. Over here. Give me everything you got so I can throw it away.
Oh, nothing like that. I'm telling you, Mom, I'm sober. I've been doing really good.
Okay. I don't need a cookie. Have a seat. How much is here?
$3.
Celeste Guerra was charged with trespassing and shoplifting from Walmart.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.